Hey, what's going on again, everybody? Right now I'm a little bit sick, so excuse my voice if it sounds terrible. We have some exciting news, and that is that there are lots of projects coming your way, including this one. This little Delta is a ducted fan prototype, and it's another thing me and a friend put together in a few hours. We're getting a lot better at actually making things fly, as this is like the third thing now that we've actually made that flies. And this is another project that there'll definitely be more revisions of, but this version works pretty well, although it's a little bit underpowered. Here are a bunch of flight videos from the tests that we did.
Oh my god, that was so close. Oh!
We're good.
Alright.
Seesaw here. Damn. Pardon my French.
So this plane is just barely stable, and also it's a little bit underpowered. The goal with the ducted fan was to increase the power, but I'm not sure how well of a job that did. I don't want to go ahead and say anything about ducted fans right now, but from what I read in the past, I read that they did increase thrust, but I'm probably wrong because of how it worked in this situation, or the plane just had no wing area at all because the wingspan was only about 20 inches. So correct me if I'm wrong on that. I'm definitely going to be doing more research and development on this plane. A couple things I did find interesting. This plane did not need a rudder, and I'm guessing that's because of the duct in the middle of the plane. It tracked really well without one. The plane also really flew just like you'd expect a jet to fly. I think that was because of the duct and how it concentrates the flow of air.
A little bit and it dropped. So how do you land this thing? Just crash it?
Yeah, it's always a crash landing.
Oh, seriously?
Yep.
So it's gonna be room then after? No. Oh.
These planes are pretty durable. It's just like, it's basically just a cardboard thing. And so it can get dented and smashed a little bit.
Climb
And
above the
still work.
mountain.
You're above the mountain?
Yeah.
Whoa!
That was really scary. Oh, so close! You actually almost caught it. Holy cow.
This is one of the hardest planes I've ever flown, and now we have a novice that's going to fly it.
Here we go.
So here we go. It's not going to go well. Alright, full power.
Yeah!
I think it's okay, actually. I think it landed right in the bush. There it is.
He'll come back and be like, I'm bleeding.
How's it looking?
It looks just fine.
Is the battery still in the right place?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey!
Yeah, the plane's not as responsive as I
Yeah. Oh!
I was pulling it up like all the whole time.
Yeah, I know. It needs a lot of airspeed.
Oh no!
What are your thoughts on this?
I'm bleeding.